My bike's just too loud. Alright, so where are we going, baby?
I have no idea.
That's right, you don't, because it's a surprise. So we're going for my first moto vlog. We are going to a place.
What place?
The place, yeah. And wow, I don't even have my helmet strapped. I didn't even realize.
Oh, dude. I could try to do it for you.
I think it's okay. I mean, okay.
I'll try, but I can't get it through.
It's okay.
Okay, there.
Got it?
Almost.
Thanks, baby. So, back another day in the beautiful, wonderful city of Miami.
Debatable.
Going on an adventure. And hopefully my bike doesn't turn off while we're at it. Alright. I might need gas at some point, because we're 41 minutes away. I don't know how much gas I got left. Ooh, police. So this is one of the last few trips that I'm going to be able to do in Miami. One of the last few little things, because I'm talking to the camera. This is one of the last few little things that I'm going to be able to do in Miami, because school starts up soon and I'm going to be heading back up to Tallahassee. And yeah, I'm not really sure when I'd be able to head back down to Miami, but yeah, I'm just trying to enjoy my last few days here with Bella, with my friends. Just kind of have a good time while I still can, you know? Look, Lamborghini Urus. Yes, sir. One day, boys. Wait on it. One day, I will have one of those. In every color. Also, really, really hoping that my GoPro stays in place, because right now it's kind of on a 3D printed mount that my dad and I found and printed. So really hoping it doesn't decide to just fly off of my helmet. It's kind of the only camera I have, hopefully. Whew. Sorry, buddy. Man, I need to really invest. I really need to invest in one of those Camelbacks. I am so thirsty right now. Nice, buddy.
Oh, can't wait for some shade.
It's okay.
I would have busted my ass though.
Ah, look how red you are.
I'm red.
Yeah. Me too.
You can see?
Yeah, I can see.
Oh, I forgot mine don't have that thing.
Yeah. Aww. How cute. Full gas tank. Let's see what our total comes out to. A whopping 668.
Oh my god.
I would love my receipt. No, thank you. Ready? And we're off again. So the DRZ currently has a little issue going on with it. I'm not really sure what it is, but I took out the car, cleaned it all out, did a bunch of stuff, a lot of maintenance, cleaned out the airbox, but it's still giving me a lot of issues. for some reason it just doesn't want to stay on. Like, I'll be riding no problem with the choke halfway out. So, you know, I don't know if you guys know, on the DRZ there's 3 settings for the choke. You have all the way in, halfway in, and all the way out. And all the way out, it runs fine, but obviously it's going way too fast. With the choke all the way in, it just doesn't stay on. It doesn't idle. It doesn't want to idle. It just dies. So this whole time I'm kind of forced to ride with the choke halfway out. Now, obviously I know that's a little less than ideal, but it's the only way that this bike is running. And so I don't think it's carb issues. Another issue is that whether my bike is in gear or in neutral, no matter what, if I rev it really fast, then it makes some really loud clanking noise that's really unpleasant. And I don't know what causes it, but my dad and I have a theory that it's something with the valves. Either the valve timing is off. What? Yeah. Yeah. Grab on tight. At the end of the day, I've been having issues with the DRZ forever, since I bought it, really. And I think I'm just gonna end up taking it to a mechanic. So I gotta get that going like ASAP. This road is so bumpy. That's cool, right?
Yeah, I like it. Wow, so cool.
Yeah. Look at this. What is this? Can I park here? Oh, look, there's more there's supermotos over there. Oh, these are DRZs too. Oh, look at the Bentley. So, how was your first ride on the highway? On the bike?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, where are we?
Wynwood?
Huh?
Wynwood?
What is Wynwood?
I don't know. I see a lot of graffiti and it's super cool.
Okay, so you know how as we were passing by on the highway, you saw some like art on the street and you're like, wow, that's so cool?
Yeah.
That's where we are. Wynwood is this like hotspot in downtown Miami, close to Brickell, close to Miami Beach. Everything is close to here. And what did I do with my charger?
Did you?
Oh, it's right here. Basically, it has a high emphasis on urban art, like street art and stuff, and graffiti, as you can tell by all the walls. Where are we at? What are we doing, baby?
Oh, we are at Wynwood. We're gonna take a picture with the bike on this painting or whatever.
Let's get it. Taking some pictures for the gram. Do you want to stand with one, baby? So, we went through Wynwood. What's next? Where are we going to next?
I have no clue. Something else on your list?
Something else on my list. Oh boy, wait, another surprise?
Yep, I guess.
Yes, let's go. You ready?
Can I put my food back in here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Do you want to throw it out? Do you want me to like take you to that one of those trash cans real quick and you can hop off, throw it out, and get back on?
Yeah.
All right. All right. I need you to hold on tight, okay?
Yeah.
We're doing this little drop.
Oh, we're gonna go there?
Yeah. Hold on tight.
Exhilarating.
Wasn't it? Little off-roading. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. Good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Alright, let's not get hit by a car. Mine's not even put. Ah! Oh, can I add a quick stop?
You want to get an icy?
An Oreo shake, please.
An Oreo shake?
Yeah. And then also just a cup of water.
A cup of water? Anything else?
No, that's all.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Wait, is it here or is it the next one? I can't tell either. What?
The next one, I think.
Is there a next one? Oh, my bike turned off. There is no next one, right?
Oh, yeah, there isn't.
An Oreo shake, right?
And the water cup.
Yeah. Oh, 2 water bottles, you said?
A water cup.
Oh, water cup.
Yeah, please.
Is it 2 motorcycles that like sticks?
All motorcycles are manual, yeah.
Manual?
Yeah, that's my clutch right here.
That's your clutch, and how do you change your gears?
Right here.
So let's say you're in first gear, you're gonna hit the second, you're gonna press the clutch like manual car too, right?
Yeah, so if I'm in first, so neutral is here. If I'm gonna go to first, I go down. And then from second it's up. No video or still photography.
Yeah.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Oh, man, we're gonna get kicked out, bitch.
Oh, rats. You know what I should install on here?
Oh,
AC.
like a fan.
Yeah.
Let me get to the cup of water. We started talking and my fault.
No,
okay.
you're good.
You drove a manual car before?
Thank you.
Nah. Never have. Soon though.
Daily drive.
Yeah?
Daily, man.
What'd you drive?
A little gold.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, do you post anything about it on Instagram? Like, you got an account?
Not really.
Oh damn. Well, I got an account for this. So you want to check it out? It's Driven DRZ.
I'll help you out with that.
For sure, bro.
Come on, I have a problem with that.
I got you. Right there. The clout, boys, the clout. There should be an exit here, right? Yeah, of course, baby.
Do you want me to click start? There.
Thank you. Please don't turn off. Please don't turn off. It turned off.